In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Cloudflare API key step by step. This API key is commonly used to connect Cloudflare with third-party tools, hosting panels, and automation services. First, open your browser and log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your account settings page. Here, click on the API Tokens tab. On this page, you'll see two options, API Tokens and Global API Key. To get the classic API key, scroll down until you find the Global API Key section. Click on View next to Global API Key. Cloudflare will ask you to confirm your identity by entering your account password. After verifying, your Global API Key will be displayed. Make sure to copy this key and store it in a secure place. Do not share it publicly because this key provides full access to your Cloudflare account. If you prefer better security, you can also create a custom API token instead. API tokens allow you to limit permissions and access only specific features, which is recommended for most integrations. And that's it. That's how you can easily get your Cloudflare API key. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Cloudflare tutorials and automation guides.